Library objects can be best described as being small packages containing one or more files which, when combined, can insert web content, video streams, flash animations, message windows, hyperlinks and much more into MultiSource Webcast and interactive Webcast templates. These library objects can be so embedded that they become an integral part of the template, saving time and effort when producing a webcast. An embedded library object cannot be edited or deleted by a MultiSource user unless they have access to the Design Control software. Let's take a look at 3 scenarios for importing a Flash banner. In scenario A, we have used a typical Flash banner software which has exported a SWF file and a piece of HTML code to embed the banner in a web page. Firstly, create an HTML page in an editor. I've named this one A Transport Banner 01 HTM. Copy and paste the embed code into the body as you see here. And save the file. Double-click on the file to check that it's working. In scenario B, we have a Flash banner which was produced using Adobe Flash Professional. Once again, we have the SWF file. Adobe Flash has exported the completed HTML page, so we don't need to do anything ourselves. In scenario C, we have used Adobe Dreamweaver to create a web page which contains our SWF file. Dreamweaver has automatically created a subfolder called Scripts, containing 2 extra files. We have to transfer these 2 files up 1 level to our main folder. I can now delete the empty folder. We now have to make a couple of changes to the code in our HTML file. Open the file in Dreamweaver or another editor. On line 6, delete the word scripts and the /. Do the same thing on lines 16, and 24. Save the HTML file. Double-click on it to check that it's working. Now we can open Design Control. Click on View Library Objects to open the Library Objects window. Then click on Create a new library object and give it a name. I'll call this one Flash Banner A. This library object is web-based, which means that it takes the form of a mini website. I can load a thumbnail graphic, which is very useful should you have a large collection of library objects for a number of different clients. Now click on the Options tab and then on the left Add button to import the HTML file which drives the mini website. I'll navigate to my Scenario A folder and open the A Transport Banner 01 HTM. Click on Set as Main to designate this file's status as being the key file in the collection. A small key symbol will appear. More complicated library objects may contain a number of HTML files, but there should always be one which kickstarts the events within the mini website. Now I cross over to the right-hand Add button and import my SWF file. Click on OK and the library object will be listed in the Library Objects window. Now I'll create library objects from my two other scenario folders. Flash Banner B, Web Object, Load Thumbnail, Import HTML file, Set as Main, Import SWF file, OK. And finally the file collection from Dreamweaver, Flash Banner C, Load Thumbnail, Import HTML file, Set as Main. This time I have 3 files to import into the right-hand content. Now all 3 library objects are listed. I can export the library objects, delete them if I wish, I can also import library objects. Now I'll insert a flash animation into a template. Let's say template number 4. Right-click on the Content Small Window track to open the properties. Open the Extended tab and click on the Library Object Radio button. Choose a library object to import. If I now click on the Not Editable checkbox, the Flash object will be embedded as an integral part of the template. Open the Output preview, and the Flash banner has become part of the template.